Hey guys, what is up? And in today's video, we are going to be making a simple little animation system with geometry nodes in Blender. So let's get started. Okay. First we'll need to open Blender. Just add a normal cube and go to geometry nodes at the top, right there. And then press add new. And you'll see these new inputs, group input and group output. We need to worry about these right now. You can press add or go to Shift A and search math, like the math chip. Oh, that's what you call it in Rec Room, math. And then change it to sign, not SIGN, SINE. And then the cool thing is you can add the frame value into here, which is like the value of the frame in here, to the sign. You can go to value, you can do hash shift 3, and then type in frame. You see that it's at 0 now and it's pink. That means it's hooked up to something. And then you're gonna go to Shift A or add, and then do set position. Geometry will be the group input, and then unhook the group output, and then to put the offset to the sign value, and then put the geometry to the group output. So now if you want to control that from geometry nodes, you can see this thing down here. You can if you find it, it sees up and down arrow. You can right click and it says horizontal split. Hit horizontal split and then move your mouse to wherever you want it to split to. So you see there's another whole entire set. So if you want to change it, you go to this geometry nodes thing and you press timeline or shift F12. And if you press this, it's really laggy right now, right? How to change that is you can actually do shift 3 or hash frame divided by 10. That will make it even better. So it makes it smoother. Or does it? That's weird. Huh. So, press this. It should work for you. If it doesn't, I don't know what to do. Offset, position, byte. Some troubleshooting will happen today. So yeah, if it works for you, great. If not, tell me in the comments. Well, thank you for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.